Hello friends, welcome to Winning Wings tutorial. A very good news for all of you, all the aspirants preparing for government exams. Tentative 37,409 vacancies have been declared for SSC CGL 2022. So you have something to cheer about, something to prepare for. So don't waste any more time. Form fill-ups will be starting from the 1st of April 2023. For the month of April, the form fill-ups will continue and exam of Tier 1 will be held during the month of June July tentatively. Department of Posts hold a significant number of vacancies, followed by CAG offices under the CAG. So stay motivated, stay focused, stay hydrated. Meditation for 15 to 20 minutes will definitely help, and you have a good 3.5 months or 4 months approximately for your tier 1 examination. Just jump into action. Don't waste any more time. This is a lifetime opportunity. Get it any You won't get this every year, so don't believe lose in yourself and believe in your ability. I know you can and you will. Once again, I'll say that don't miss this lifetime opportunity, and keep following Winning Wings tutorial. Subscribe to our channel. We will boost your preparation through YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching. Good luck.